Warning! Sukhavati is a new super powerful project. Project overview. Friends, I welcome you to my channel. Hello everyone, contact Mr.Atlant. Today our video will be dedicated to a new rather cool project, and this is Sukhavati. And in this video we'll take a detailed look at the Sukhavati project, and let's understand why is this project so promising. We're getting started. The first question that arises is, what is Sukhavati? And Sukhavati is a decentralized network of cloud services that stores data. The project plans to build a data access gateway that will cover Web 2 and Web 3 data storage services. This gateway will be able to provide storage, maintenance and management of data which is stored, will be able to meet the requirements for Web 3 applications. And as the project team noticed, Sukhavati plans to develop a power chain of Polkadots that will store data to open the possibility of serving Web 3 applications. Next, let's pay close attention to the tokenomics of this project. What do we see? According to the data, we can see that about 618 million Sukhavati tokens (SKT) were issued. Token distribution: out of 100%, 61%, which is 381 million, is allocated to mining rewards. It will be released through block rewards and used to keep the network running. And it is targeted that mining rewards will be given for 40 years. Out of 100%, 13%, which is 87 million, is allocated for private sale. It is provided to investors who participate in the private sale, and the unlocking of this token will be continued quarterly for 24 months. Okay, next, 1%, which is 6 million, listing on the stock exchange and public sale. Next, out of 100%, 6% for ecosystem developers. That is, these funds will be used to support the ecosystem of miners and external ecosystem cooperation. And this will include funds for partner support, academic funding, and the community services. Out of 100%, also 10% for the team, provided for technical research teamwork. Tokens are unlocked for 3 years, and it remains that last distribution. And this, out of 100%, 7% is allocated to the Sukhavati Fund, used for Sukhavati ecosystem development, commercial collaboration, marketing, etc. Comment. After analyzing the entire tokenomics of the project, I will pay attention to the fact that she is well-mannered and intelligent. We also see that not a large percentage is allocated to sales, which is correct. And now we come to the consideration of the questions itself, probably interesting benefits of Sukhavati. Benefits. The first thing we pay attention to is lava consumption. The POC consensus mechanism uses a fairly small amount of resources, and this allows in turn to maintain a higher level of security in the consensus, and it helps to use most of the resources for more important work. Second, it is efficiently. The post mechanism takes advantage of hardware execution environments (TEEs) compared to purely cryptographic methods based on ZKP. It is 100 plus times faster in terms of verification speed, which is pretty cool. Third, it is decentralized. Thanks to an effective consensus mechanism, a large number of devices at the edge of the network can participate in memory mining and provides reliable computing resources, which allows you to take full advantage of the network's decentralized structure. Fourth, it is local trusted environment. Storage nodes can use their computing and bandwidth resources to provide reliable computing and network and transmission services to users. And the fifth advantage is consensus layer. Proof of capacity POC and efficient proof of space post are used as a consensus mechanism. POC can maintain high security consensus with low power consumption after the initial cell operation. Sixth, demonstration storage layer. A post consumes only a few computing resources to verify the storage and make full use of the difficulty to the click function to ensure the security of the consensus process. It consists of two tasks, leaving post and winning post. Storage nodes can earn storage incentives by continuously running tasks. And the seventh advantage appears in program levels. The storage layer provides an environment for establishment a decentralized data access gateway that spans the Web3 and the Web2 storage ecosystem to connect different protocol islands and to provide unfound storage, read-write, and application management services. And the key point there should also be paid close attention to is mining token. What I mean is, from my experience, a token that is mined becomes such more valuable than other projects and it is worth taking into account the having a twofold reduction in the reward of mining one block, which will affect the price and in most cases leads to strong growth. Friends, how are you? True, unaccepted, I know. That's why this project is really cool and deserves our full attention. Well, that's all I have. See you in the next issue. Be mine, good ones.